Hello kids, I wanted to welcome you to Fire Station 7 here in Hayward. Unfortunately, we're not able to make it out to your school this year, so we wanted to do this virtually and show you what the life of a firefighter is all about.
Hi kids, I'm Firefighter Anthony. I'll be your tour guide today. Welcome to Fire Station 7. Here in the City of Hayward Fire Department, we have 9 stations. Station 7 is our newest station, built in 2015. How the fire department works, we work 24-hour shifts, 365 days a year, and we have 3 different shifts, A shift, B shift, and C shift, and we alternate work days. Let's go check out the office. Here's our office, and hard at work, Firefighter Don. Just like you kids do your homework, we have to do our homework too. This is our conference room. This is where we have our meetings. And as you see, we have a bunch of pictures on the wall. Just like you have family pictures, we have pictures of our families, which are all the different crews throughout the years. Just like you guys get mail at home, we have our mailboxes. Let's go see what's going on in the kitchen. It smells good. Oh, the guys are hard at work. What are we making, guys?
Oh, tonight we're doing a little pork fried rice.
Oh, a little pork fried rice. Oh, that sounds good. So I was talking about the 3 different shifts, the A shift, B shift, and C shift. That is why we have 3 refrigerators. One for A, one for B, one for C. And after this good food is prepared, this is our dining table where we sit down to enjoy it as a family. Let's go upstairs and check out our dorm. This is our dorm. This is where we sleep at night. And over here, we have our guys hard at work doing their chores. Just like you have to do chores at home, we have to do chores here every day. So kids, I mentioned that we work all day. Well, at nighttime, just like you sleep, we sleep too, unless we get a call. Oh, I hear something. Oh, we got a call. So that was our engine crew going on a call. As firefighters, we go on all different types of calls. All different types of fires, vehicle accidents if someone's trapped in a car, and medical calls. If one of your family members is sick and you call, we come. Speaking of the number that we call, do you kids know what we call? 911. If you call 911 for any emergency, you'll either get the fire department or the police. Let's talk about the different fire equipment we have here at the City of Hayward Fire Department. We have engines and we have trucks. This here is our engine. The engine is the smaller of the rigs. The engine carries the hose and the water, and they're the ones who pull the hoses and squirt the water on the fire. The truck is our big rig, and the truck is a big toolbox. It has every tool you could think of, tools to rescue people from cars, and it also has all the ladders, including that big 100-foot ladder up top. One of our specialized piece of fire equipment is our rescue boat. Since Hayward is bordered by water, we have this rescue boat for any water-related rescues or emergencies. Let's talk about what it takes to be a firefighter. First, you need to go to school and get an education. Second of all, being a firefighter is a very physically demanding job, so every station has a gym. Over here we have Firefighter Dave working out, which is very important to be physically fit and stay healthy in this job. Well, that's it for our tour. Thanks for joining us, kids. I hope you enjoyed it. Be safe out there. We'll see you next time.